Well, welcome back. And here on the show, we like to really talk how we are a morning blend and talk about so many different topics. And of course, we have a highlight on the big game that's happening this week. But there are still some medical issues that we like to talk about. And we like to bring in our friend Andrew Reinhardt to help us out, because there is one area that men and especially partners don't like to discuss. But that's where you come in to help. Andrew, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing well. Yes, we talk about the thing that guys sometimes don't want to talk about. That is erectile dysfunction. I will say this, however, South Bay Medical Clinic is taking all of the negatives out of treating ED. That is the pill and the side effects. We use the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy. This is different, guys. It opens up and regrows blood vessels. It treats the root cause of erectile dysfunction. And I'll tell you, we've helped thousands of couples get back to normal function in the bedroom. No pills, no injections, and no surgery.
Andrew, you said right at the beginning there that this is a different approach. People want to know, okay, different. Does different mean good? Does it mean that it works?
Well, I'll tell you, 40 clinical studies now say this treatment works. We've treated thousands of men. The average guy only needs a few short 10-minute treatments. And yes, we've seen 40 to 60% more blood flow to this part of the body. For most guys, that reverses the erectile dysfunction and gets the spontaneity back.
Which you talk about spontaneity and getting to know you a little bit. That's something that some of the older treatments for ED have not been able to help. And if people have not sought the information or have been able to find treatment before, they might not necessarily know that.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I'm yet to meet a man that enjoys taking the pill. It doesn't work all that often. It causes side effects in almost all men. And yes, there is no spontaneity. There's a huge lack of spontaneity. As far as I know, the treatments at South Bay Medical Clinic, it's the only thing that will get you back to on-demand function where you don't have to pre-plan with the pills.
Well, let's talk about the treatment. I think anytime you're talking about anything in that area, we want to talk about the comfort level, not something people want to necessarily look forward to, but the treatment itself. What can people expect?
Well, the first thing I'd mention is it's not painful. It kind of looks like an ultrasound machine. It's placed on the skin for about 10 minutes, and it delivers gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels. That agitates them just enough that they open up and widen and actually regrow. This is a process called neovascularization, by the way. There's no recovery time, no pain, and no side effects to our treatment. So it's really not all that intimidating. Guys come in and they say that was not as bad as I thought.
Well, what could be intimidating is that word, neovascularization. Did I do okay on that one?
Yeah, you said that perfect. And that's a medical term for regrowing blood vessels. They've been doing that on the bottom of the feet and legs, and it's a common procedure.
Well, you know what? If people are still a little hesitant, I know you've got a special offer that you can quickly get to so that people know to pick up the phone or log on today.
Call that number on your screen. We're giving away a lot for free. The assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound with our medical doctor will be free, plus a little special gift that produces instant results in the bedroom. About a $500 value here, everybody. You call the number now, we'll do it totally free.